beauty for me is that unexpected thing that you fall in love with. You know? For me, it's very simple. It's about two things that doesn't belong together usually. I mean, I like that energy between two things that is put together. It creates some sort of inspirational energy that I like. This collection is about a picture, really. It's sort of a still life picture for me, and the idea was to meet this sort of couture inspiration with jeans. And I saw this, young, creative woman that we always kind of, aim for, running into a historic couture dress in taffeta or something, and being wrapped with that. New York! All right, thank you.